Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete WhatsApp chat in computer. If we are on WhatsApp web, we will start by clicking on the chat to delete and right-click on it. Here we will find the delete chat option to delete the conversation. We will confirm the action. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we are in the WhatsApp desktop application, we can also right-click on the conversation and choose the delete option to delete the chat, and we will confirm the action. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.